Tap to install eSIM. Select Manual tab. Go to Settings. Tap on Cellular. Tap on Add eSIM. Choose Use QR code. Tap Enter details manually. Go to a VeloeSIM app. Copy SM-DP plus address from VeloeSIM app and paste it in SM-DP plus address field. Then copy and paste activation code and confirmation code if prompted. Tap Next. Tap to Continue button. Wait until installation is completed. Tap Done. Let's adjust your settings. Choose your primary line. Tap to Continue button. Once more, select your primary network and tap to continue. Tap Don't use. Select your primary network and tap to continue. Tap Done. Go to Settings. Choose your secondary line. Turn on data roaming on secondary network. Go back and choose your primary network. And finally, turn off data roaming on primary network. Well done! Wishing you a fantastic final stretch as you complete your VeloeSIM installation. May it unlock a world of convenience and connectivity for you.